Looking for long-term growth potential in your investments? Consider the best Fidelity index funds, known for their stability and growth opportunities. These funds offer a simple way to diversify your portfolio and potentially achieve substantial returns over time. But how do you choose the right one for your financial goals? In today's video, we're delving into the world of investing, focusing on the best Fidelity index funds that offer high growth potential for the long haul. The idea of finding the right investment can be both thrilling and daunting, stirring up a mix of excitement and uncertainty. As we explore the different options, you might feel eager to uncover opportunities for financial growth, while also experiencing a bit of nervousness about making the best choice. But fear not, as we break down the complexities of index funds into straightforward, easy-to-understand concepts, aiming to boost your confidence and provide clarity in your investment journey. So, let's dive in together and discover the exciting possibilities that await us. What are Fidelity index funds? Fidelity index funds act like mirrors, reflecting the ups and downs of market indices, like the S&P 500. It's like being on a roller coaster ride of the stock market, where your emotions can go up and down along with it. When the market is soaring, you might feel elated, imagining all the potential gains. But during downturns, fear and uncertainty can creep in, making you question your decisions. Yet, these funds offer a sense of stability amidst the turbulence, like a steady hand guiding you through rough seas. With Fidelity index funds, you can experience the thrill of the market's highs while having a safety net to catch you during its lows, providing a sense of reassurance and peace of mind in your investment journey. Why choose Fidelity index funds? Investing in index funds brings forth a sense of security and ease for investors, whether they're just starting out or have been in the game for a while. These funds offer a straightforward approach, eliminating the complexities often associated with selecting individual stocks. By pooling money from multiple investors, index funds create a diverse portfolio that mirrors the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. This diversification reduces the risk of relying on the success or failure of a single company, instilling a sense of stability in investors' minds. Moreover, index funds typically come with lower fees compared to actively managed funds, making them cost-effective options for those looking to maximize their returns over the long term. Getting started with Fidelity. Index funds. Entering the world of investing can feel daunting for newcomers, with a multitude of choices and strategies to consider. Amidst the vast landscape of over 7,000 mutual funds, finding a starting point can be challenging. However, Fidelity, a trusted name in finance, provides a beacon of reassurance for those beginning their investment journey. Their index funds stand out as reliable options, offering simplicity and stability to new investors. By choosing Fidelity's index funds, beginners can embark on their investment path with confidence, knowing they're aligning themselves with a reputable institution renowned for quality offerings. 1. Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX. The Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, is like a reliable friend in the world of investing, always there to support you. When it comes to your money, trust is crucial, and FXAIX has earned that trust with its consistent performance. Seeing those returns can evoke feelings of satisfaction and confidence, knowing that your hard-earned money is in good hands. It's like watching a seed you planted grow into a sturdy tree, providing shade and shelter for years to come. With FXAIX, you can experience the joy of watching your investments flourish, while feeling secure in your financial future. 2. Fidelity Growth. Discovery Fund, FSKAX. Investing in the Fidelity Growth Discovery Fund, FSKAX, can feel like riding a wave of excitement and opportunity. With its impressive year-to-date returns of 27.46%, it's like watching your investment grow before your eyes. While there may be some ups and downs along the way, the potential for growth in sectors like technology and finance fills investors with hope and anticipation for the future. Despite its slightly higher volatility, the consistent performance of FSKAX instills a sense of confidence and optimism in investors, knowing that they're positioned for success in the long run. 3. Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund, FNCMX. Investing in the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund, FNCMX, can evoke feelings of excitement and anticipation as investors witness its remarkable year-to-date returns of 37.74%. As technology continues to drive innovation and growth, this fund's emphasis on tech and finance sectors resonates with investors seeking high-growth opportunities. While the ups and downs of the market may stir some nerves, the consistent outperformance of FNCMX instills a sense of confidence and optimism in investors, reminding them of the potential rewards that come with riding the wave of technological advancement. 4. Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund, FBGRX. Investing in the Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund, FBGRX, can evoke feelings of confidence and reassurance, given its remarkable year-to-date return of 46.3%. This fund's focus on well-established blue-chip companies in the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average taps into the stability and growth potential of these industry giants, instilling a sense of security in investors. As FBGRX maintains significant holdings in technology and consumer discretionary sectors, investors may feel a sense of excitement about the potential for continued growth and innovation in these areas. Despite market fluctuations, the consistent performance of FBGRX serves as a beacon of hope and optimism for investors, reminding them of the rewards that come with investing in reputable, high-growth companies. 5. Fidelity Select Technology Portfolio, FSKAX. Investing in the Fidelity Select Technology Portfolio, FSKAX, can evoke feelings of excitement and optimism, given its impressive year-to-date return of 53.83%. This fund's focus on diverse technology-related industries, such as software and semiconductors, reflects the ever-evolving landscape of technological innovation, sparking a sense of anticipation for future growth opportunities. With top holdings in renowned companies like Microsoft and Apple, investors may feel a sense of confidence in FSKAX's ability to navigate the rapidly changing tech sector and deliver consistent returns. As FSKAX continues to outperform its peers, investors may experience a sense of pride in being part of a fund that embraces innovation and drives positive change in the world of technology. 6. Fidelity Select Semiconductors Portfolio, FSKAX. Investing in the Fidelity Select Semiconductors Portfolio, FSKAX, can evoke feelings of excitement and confidence, thanks to its remarkable year-to-date return of 75.2%. This fund's focus on the thriving semiconductor industry, fueled by the rising demand for AI, cloud computing, and robotics, inspires a sense of anticipation for future growth and innovation. With top holdings in industry giants like NVIDIA and Broadcom, investors may feel reassured by FSKAX's ability to capitalize on cutting-edge technologies and deliver exceptional returns. As FSKAX continues to outperform its benchmark, investors may experience a sense of satisfaction and pride in being part of a fund that drives progress and excellence in the semiconductor sector. In Amr Fidelity Index funds offer investors a simple yet powerful way to gain exposure to the market and potentially achieve significant returns over time. Whether you're a novice investor looking to start with a solid foundation or a seasoned investor seeking high-growth opportunities, these index funds provide a range of options to suit your investment goals. By understanding how these funds work, analyzing their performance metrics, and selecting the right mix for your portfolio, you can build a robust investment strategy that aligns with Warren Buffett's timeless principle of holding investments forever. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on investing, personal finance, and wealth management. And remember, investing wisely today can lead to a brighter financial future tomorrow. Until next time, happy investing!